What is going on, guys? So I got the head back today, and my plan is I gotta put these lifters in some oil overnight. I want to get this head, everything I can done. Obviously I can't put the cams in or any of that stuff, but I want to get this on the block and whatnot. So let's take this out of the bag, put the lifters in oil, put the new sensor in, and yeah. First thing we're gonna do, put the lifters in the bowl. Just let those soak overnight. So I went and had the holes drilled out, and he had to clean it again, so put this new sensor on. So I'm just gonna do one last wipe down, just making sure there's nothing up here. Nothing in the cylinders. And of course I'll do it with oil in there. Also I'll wipe some oil in there. Alright, bring the head over. Looks pretty good. See if I can assist these on. Alright, that'll work. So, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Down there, you see how it hit the spring when it went down? This one also. This one, the spring's in the way. This one's the worst thing, but those are all down. Alright, so 30, 55, 80. And, well, got lube on my face. What the fuck? Alright, guys, so the torque spec's 30, 55, and I'm gonna do 85. It says 80, but I'm gonna do a little bit extra. But this is with the ARP lube. This one needs to be ran down all the way, so. So we're gonna do 30, 55.85. Put the intake on. This definitely isn't the right fucking intake gasket, man. God damn it. So tired of getting the wrong parts. Alright. This must be for an older one. Put the exhaust on. Ooh, that's a fucking like widow or something. What the fuck is that? What is that? My GoPro's on there. It's fucking gross. Let's go ahead and just torch all these things off. Alright, so I'll be back in a little while. I gotta go. I officially broke it. Yeah, it's already fucked anyways. Let me get back to this though. Alright, so I don't know if I said this yesterday, but when you think you done ordered everything, just know you probably haven't. I forgot to get a valve cover gasket. I got the wrong intake manifold gasket. Couple other things. I got a new. I was gonna get an external oil filter, oil cooler, but couldn't find a good priced one, so I just got the water cooled oil filter housing for like 25 bucks. I ran into a problem. So with this oil drain, for the 6-bolt or whatever this model is, because it's a JDM motor, so I don't know if it's the same across the board, but this part right here does not bolt up to the 2G turbo, and the other one has the same pattern for the oil pan. These two holes will line up. I should have kept that off the other motor, but I didn't. So now I bought a new one of these last night for 20 bucks. Gaskets, oil filter housing gasket. So I spent like another 120 bucks last night, but hopefully it'll all be good. I was gonna paint this, ceramic coat it, but You either have to bake in the oven or heat cycle it on the car, and obviously I can't heat cycle it for a while, so I'm just gonna wait. What else? AutoZone, they fucked up my order, so I didn't get the intake manifold gasket, but I got the valve cover gasket, so I'm gonna put that on. The head's gonna be fully assembled, all the internals. The lifter is soaked in oil overnight. What else happened? That's about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the cams in, lifters, everything. Let's get it. Put these lifters in. Let me put a glove on. So these actually look pretty bad. Alright, so cleaned up the camshaft, took the cam gear off. I guess that's how you do it. Pretty simple. And then so, future reminder to myself, do not just leave the cam gears out of oil if you're going to have them out for an extended period of time. That was my fault. I got to do the other one, but I'll show you the difference, you can see. So, as you can see the color, I mean it's just literally just a little bit of surface rust, not too bad. Hasn't been too long, but I'm gonna clean this up and then get it installed. They're both cleaned, they both look good, and they're both they're all smooth to the touch. Go ahead and put this angle sensor in. Go ahead. I remember I'm pretty sure there's a certain way to put this in, so I'm gonna clean this up a little bit and then put that in properly. But I'm gonna go get the cam caps, start laying them on there at least. You guys see something I forgot? Yeah, me too. Let's not talk about it. See, this is how the machine shop broke it. Now I understand. They didn't take this off at first, and they probably just ripped the cam up and then broke it that way. Guarantee it. Well, I would have probably done the same thing, to be honest. So I'm glad I didn't do that. And I let them take the cams off. I'm gonna put these all down by hand. So cylinder 1 has to be top dead center, and the blade has to be the notch. I'll go into that when I get all these tightened down. Guys, so you're probably not gonna like my solution, but I just tried it and it worked. Let me show you. So this is the stock size bolt right there. I went ahead and measured how deep the hole is because there's more threads below it, so I went and got just a little bit longer than it actually it torques down now to 14 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna get thread locker, put it on it. I'm gonna send it. I think it's gonna be fine. Like I said, you're probably not gonna like it. I wouldn't recommend doing this. I bought a Hela coil kit just in case, but I really didn't want to drill and tap this, get metal shavings places. So go ahead and get that thread locker on and put it down. Alright guys, so I accidentally deleted the outro to this video. Valve cover's on. Can't show you the rest of the motor because that's gonna be in the next video. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and a comment, and stay tuned. It's getting there. Appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.